आसंता जनवरी मासरे एमबीसीटी पक्षर आयोजन होगा जाऊँगी सारला विश्वभाषा सम्मिलनी एने आमे भेटिलु पश्चिमबंग रवीन्द्र भारती विश्वविद्यालय पूर्वतन कुलपति प्रोफेसर चिन्मय गुहा को आसंता शुणा कौन रही वार्ता।
Welcome Professor Chinmay Guha, former Vice Chancellor Ravindra Bharati University, West Bengal. On 11th January, there will be Padajatra, Vishwa Bhasha Padajatra, and 12, 13 and 14 January 2020, there will be a interdisciplinary research seminar for 3 days in Bhubaneswar. So we'll welcome Professor Guha and we'll ask regarding Sarala Das, Adi Kavi Sarala Das, a son of soil of Odisha. Sir, welcome and asking that do you know Sarala Das?
India is one country after all, and how can we be ignorant of our great achievement? So I think I wholeheartedly congratulate you, thank you, express my gratitude to you for thinking of this World Padojatra, Literature Padojatra, jate Sarala Dasher naam jodiye rakha hoyeche. I think as an Indian I feel proud.
How do you know the contribution of Sarala Das on linguistics society? Being a linguistics, you have studied French linguistics, French language, and you are a professor of linguistics. How do you know the contribution of Sarala Das on linguistics world?
No, because in the old days our teachers were very, very knowledgeable, and they were conscious of the major developments in literature. So when we were children, our teachers spoke about the contribution of people like Sarala Das, and that has remained embedded in our memory. So when a child listens to something very important in the development of Indian thought, Indian poetry, linguistics, it remains in the subconscious.
How you relate Sarala Das text and culture of Sarala Das, culture in Sarala Das text and cultural illiteracy, how you define?
No, let me tell you very frankly that I'm not a specialist of Sarala Das, but I can tell you this much, that since those days when Sarala Das lighted 100 candles and made a major contribution to the evolution of Oriya discourse, there is no doubt that there is a decline all over the world, not only in Orissa or Bengal, but all over the world. There is a growing disenchantment with literature. The new generation is no longer interested in books. They are glued to the smartphone. They are more interested in computers. So there is a certain illiteracy. I call it cultural illiteracy. I call it cultural amnesia, a forgetfulness of their own roots. So I wouldn't be surprised that people of the new generation are not so well versed with Sarala Das or major Bengali writers of 19th century like Michael Madhusudhan Dotto. Days are changing, and it is an age of technology, and there is a certain rootlessness in the period of globalization, and therefore we are fast losing our roots. We are fast losing our respect for major pioneers of literature and culture like Sarala Das, like many others, even Fakir Mohan Senapati. I don't think many of the new generation are terribly interested in. I mean, they are not.
How do you feel regarding Jagannath Bhasha Sainik Award to student during these activities?
I think it's a marvelous decision. I can assure you that no such thing is being done in Bengal, therefore, or other parts of the country. So what you've been doing is outstanding, and therefore we in other states should follow what you've been doing in Orissa. So I think what you've been doing is very, very important in the context of the erosion of values that we find everywhere. So the selection of 25 students, I think, is a very, very good decision. It will have a far-reaching influence on the future generation.
We'll also provide Young Linguistics Award in the name of Biju Patnaik Navin Bhasha Vigyani Award, as Biju Patnaik had the Odiyatto. So Navin means Nutana, Taruna. So we'll provide Young Linguistics Award titled as Biju Patnaik Navin Bhasha Vigyani Samman. How do you feel?
I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely happy because I've been hearing about Biju Patnaik from my very, very early days, and we have great admiration for Navin Patnaik and his sophistication and his culture. So I think it's a remarkable decision, and I wholeheartedly support it, and congratulate you for this extremely thoughtful and meaningful decision.
You might be known that Navagunjar is connected with Jagannath culture and Jagannath temple. So will senior linguistics will be given as Navagunjar Bhasha Samman. So how do you feel?
I think all this is good for culture. All this is good for culture and may act as an antidote to cultural amnesia and cultural illiteracy. And therefore, I'm really happy that we've been doing such pioneering work. I think others in this huge country of 3,287,032 square kilometers should follow suit. Thank you.